Po, makalike kayo po where in Pampanga?
Hindi kami makalike.
Makalike kayo po? Okay, okay. Ating mo pong request. Ating mo pong request, ma'am. Okay mo po, ating mo pong request. Palike kayo mo po itang ini WellnessFix.
Wellness.
Opo, okay mo po. Yun. Alright. Pinita, ma'am. Pumassage ta na.
Since makalike na kayo, ma'am, okay, yung 20 minutes free massage.
Free massage.
Tara, ma'am.
Let's go.
Abedan na kayo.
Let's go. Alright, so yun guys, isang mapalad na Facebook liker ang ating isasama sa WellnessFix at kasama niya ang kanyang family. Ayun o. Ma'am Elizabeth, hello, thank you.
So, itibit natin si mother na at least siguro 20 minutes back massage.
20 minutes back na.
Sa dito sa may WellnessFix.
Ars ka ba doon? Are you excited? Are you happy? Alright, so yun guys, sasamahan na natin si Ma'am Elizabeth at magiging quiet na tayo dito.
Meron na tayong nakuha kanina. So tayo naman yung papamassage.
Diba?
Once in a while, tsaka after a long day, relaxation naman. Actually, nung first time na pumunta dito, since dry massage nga, pero nung na-experience natin, parang, actually, inulit ko pa. Pumunta pa ulit ako dito to experience it. And habang naghihintay sa mall, talagang 30 minutes of relaxation. And talagang good na goods na yun.
Tama.
Pero ngayon, ulitin natin ulit.
Alright, so sa likod natin guys is sinaservice na si Mark, and I have to emphasize or re-emphasize yung mga seats nila dito, but they actually look like capsules in which you can actually super relax, no, kahit foot reflex lang yan or foot massage or even a pedicure or manicure, sobrang marerelax ka sa mga seats nila dito. Kakaiba pa sila guys. Saan kayo mong experience mo na nung sabi mo na?
Mas anting na biyasa.
Na? Biyasa lang mga yan. Okay, but compare mo yung karetang... very good. Ma'am, compare mo yung karetang aliwang traditional na massage spa mga yan. Na nung pagkakaliwa doon.
Comfortable lang chairs daw.
Itingin nga kayo. Bala maka-astronaut ka na. Salamat po. Thank you. Enjoy.
Na health is wealth. Kahit may pera ka, kung magkakasakit ka, wala din. So, talaga. So, itong WellnessFix, mabuti lang nandito kasi siya, parang yung tagline nga namin is wellness within reach.
Yes.
Andito lang tayo sa SM Clark. So, kahit hindi ka magpa-appointment, ganon, punta ka lang ng mall, andito yung WellnessFix para sa nyo, sa well-being ninyo. Dito, sir.
Right, thank you. Kamusta, ma'am?
Masarap.
Masarap? Ulit-ulitin ganyan. Alright, thank you so much po. Thank you po. Sana mag-enjoy kayo po. Alright, so that was our experience for today. Again, never fails. If you're looking for an activity to kill time, or you just wanna, have a rest without the messy oil feeling and everything, dry massage, WellnessFix is available. Meron po silang WellnessFix, Wellness Hands, WellnessFix Back. They also have WellnessFix Head. They are available din para sa mga manicure and pedicure. If you're interested to know more about their packages, check out their fan page for WellnessFix. We're gonna be including in the fan page below. There you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye muna tayo sa kanila. Hi! Bye guys!